And it's a day of sunny spells and isolated showers, feeling pleasantly warm in the sunshine, but will it last? I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain. Prolonged, hot, dry weather across much of Greece and Cyprus and Turkey. Record-breaking temperatures means we now have wildfires. So the scenes are absolutely awful. First of all, we've got the scenes of what have been extreme record-breaking temperatures. So temperatures at the moment are in the low to mid-40s for some areas, even up to 50 degrees Celsius for some. So Rhodes had their hottest day they've ever recorded, 43.6 degrees Celsius. And think about this, in Athens, it didn't get any lower than 31 degrees overnight. And in Turkey, they had their highest temperature ever recorded over the weekend, over 50 degrees Celsius. And much of the Middle East this week will exceed 50 degrees Celsius as we head through this coming week. So record-breaking temperatures, and at the moment the advice is if you're travelling to these areas, check before you do. The wildfires continuing to rage in even places. This is the scene across the west of Europe. High pressure slowly trying to build. If you were heading off on your holidays, and low pressure across northern areas of Italy, bringing some very unsettled conditions here. But for us, it's a mixed bag. The high pressure is close by to our west, trying to keep things settled, but low pressure to our east, bringing the risk of showers from time to time. So here's how it looks for today. Sunny spells and some ice. Good morning to you. The weekend weather was dominated by fairly cloudy skies. Then the sunshine came out, triggering some scattered showers. And that theme continues for many of us as we head through the week. High pressure is trying its hardest to build in. If it does that, then that brings fine, settled conditions. But low pressure close by to eastern areas brings the risk of some more rain or some showers. Face has been dribbling everywhere. But what I can say, that we are going to see his face popping up all over the country as we head through the next few weeks. And while I can offer the promise of more sunshine, I can't promise that it's going to be beautiful blue skies as we head through the next few weeks. But what I can say is that his teeth alone will bring enough brightness for everybody. So grab your sunglasses, because there's said to be a lot more of Rylan on show as we head through the next few weeks. Right, Melvin? Good morning to you. Well, the humidity isn't really rising here at the moment, but we are set to see a little more sunshine as we head through the next few days. It was pretty cloudy this weekend, and at the moment we are battling between high pressure in the west, trying to keep things settled, low pressure to the east, bringing the risk of showers, and they'll be on and off as we head through the week. Today, I think for many of us is the driest day, more sunshine around. Showers that develop will be pretty isolated, so this is how it looks right now. Plenty of sunshine for central, eastern and southern areas, northern and western areas, cloudy first thing with some isolated showers. And today is sunny spells for most of us. Yes, there'll be a few showers around. They'll be pretty light when they occur. Sunshine will soon return, and top temperatures today in the mid-20s, so feeling very pleasant indeed in the sunshine. That's it for me for now. There's plenty more still to come. You're watching Good Morning Britain here on ITV1. Good morning to you. Be pleased to hear I won't be serenading you with the weather, and at the moment it is looking largely fine for today. Plenty of sunshine around. There will be some showers, fairly isolated, nothing as heavy as some of us caught at the weekend. And in the sunshine, it will feel pleasantly warm. This is the latest satellite and radar. Cloudiest for northern and western areas. The blue picking out some showers around this morning, but they're light and few and far between. And that's pretty much how it stays. So sunny spells and isolated showers. The odd downpour could be heavy, but in between, there'll be lengthy spells of sunshine. And when the sunshine comes out, we're looking at 20 degrees across Scotland and Northern Ireland as our top temperature, and 25 degrees in the south. This evening and overnight, it's largely dry to start. But then a band of rain comes in from the west, and then this heralds a change for tomorrow. So tomorrow it starts off dry for eastern areas. It starts off wet in the west, and this band of cloud, a patchy rain, moves its way across the country. So a cloudier day tomorrow, a grayer one, a bit grim with outbreaks of rain and drizzle. Some sunshine returns from the west later, and not as warm. Temperatures up to around about 23 degrees. Good morning to you. The weather dominated by sunny spells and some isolated showers as we head through the next few days. We're set between high pressure and low pressure. The high pressure tries to settle things down, keeping it dry and sunny, but the low pressure, never far away to our east, always brings a threat of some showers as we head through the week. Today's most likely to be the driest day of the week. Sunny spells for many. Like I said, showers will be fairly isolated, and it will feel warm when the sunshine comes out. And this is the latest satellite and radar. Cloudiest through western areas, sunniest across the south and east. And through the day, the cloud lifts and breaks. So we're looking at sunny spells taking us through the day. If you're out for any length of time, you'll see that sunshine, but also the chance of these showers. Very isolated when they come through England, Wales and Scotland. Drier for Northern Ireland. And in the sunshine today, top temperature 25 degrees.